Welcome to Whiton Hall. We're here to see apartment 106. Whiton Hall is a shared living experience just a block off the Commons. You'll have your own private lockable room, and on each floor is a communal kitchen and communal bathrooms. Let's go on inside. On your right, as you enter, is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Every room comes with 5 pieces of furniture, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, a dresser, and a bookshelf. All rooms also come with a microwave, a mini fridge, and plenty of closet space. This room gets a ton of natural light from 3 windows located in both the west and south. Rent here in Whiton Hall includes everything: heat, hot water, trash, recycling, electricity, and even the internet. Thank you for coming to a tour today of Whiton Hall 106. Call us today for availability.